Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this channel you can find interesting videos with simplified explanation related to the common topics in the science syllabus of high school and middle school students. I hope this channel will be proved very helpful for the high school and middle school students. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, just do it now. And don't forget to press the bell icon, because once you hit the bell icon, you will get the notification about my latest uploads. If you have any query or any suggestion, feel free to pen it down in the comment section, because your suggestion is going to be very valuable for me to improvise my channel. So let us start our lesson today. This video is a sequence of atomic structure. Before this, I have uploaded many videos regarding atomic structure related to the discovery of electrons, discovery of protons and neutrons, Rutherford model. So before viewing this video, you must view my previous videos, whose link already I have given in my description section. In this video, I am going to explain mainly atomic number, mass number and the structure of the first 10 elements. So children, all of you know that an atom consists of three types of subatomic particles. Atom consists of three types of subatomic particles. You can see here the electrons, the protons and neutrons. Now, how these subatomic particles are arranged inside an atom? That is the question. So, Niels Bohr, he gave the solution. Niels Bohr in 1913 showed the arrangement of these subatomic particles in an atom. Now, let us see how they are arranged in an atom. You can see here, in an atom there are two parts. One is the nucleus. You can see in the diagram, nucleus, and the other one is the extranuclear space. Now, the nucleus contains nucleus contains protons and neutrons. You can see in the diagram also here, neutrons and protons are present in the nucleus. Then in the extranuclear space, you can find there are some imaginary circular path, and this imaginary circular path are known as cells or orbit. Now in this cells or orbit, the electrons, they are revolving around the nucleus in the extranuclear space. So this shows a general idea about the structure of atom. Now, we will go to the concept of atomic number and mass number. What is atomic number and what is mass number? Children, atoms of a particular element contain a fixed number of protons. Atoms of different elements, they contain different number of atoms, different number of protons. But atoms of a particular element, suppose all the hydrogen atoms, they contain one proton. Okay, and this number of proton, it is different for different elements. That is why what we can say, this number of proton is unique for each element, unique number, like we are having Aadhaar card. So here also these numbers are unique for the elements. This is a fundamental characteristic of element, and this number of proton is known as atomic number. So atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons that one atom of the element contains. Clear? Now let us proceed. This atomic number is represented by English alphabet capital Z. Capital Z represent atomic number. For example, you can see hydrogen atom contain one proton. So we can say the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Similarly, you can see carbon contains 6 protons, and thus the atomic number of carbon will be 6. Now next thing, the sum of number of proton and number of neutron which is present inside the nucleus is known as the mass number, because you know protons and neutrons, they are heavy particles as compared to the mass of electrons. So all the mass of atom is due to number of proton and neutrons present, and that is why the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is known as mass number. It is represented by, mass number is represented by A, and some example we will see. Nitrogen atom is having 7 protons and 7 neutrons in its nucleus, and thus the mass number of nitrogen will be 7 plus 7, which is equal to 14. Mass number of nitrogen is 14. In any atom, if you see, number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Suppose if when you say the mass number of hydrogen is 1, that means it contains 1 proton, and equal number of electrons, that is 1 electron is also present. For aluminium, let us take the example of aluminium. The atomic number of aluminium Z is equal to 13, and the mass number A is equal to 27. Now what we can say, atomic number means it is the number of protons. So the number of proton will be 13 because the atomic number is 13. Now it contains equal number of electrons, that means it contains 13 electron also, so number of electron is 13. Number of neutron will be equal to mass number minus atomic number. So it will be 27 minus 13, which is equal to 14. So the number of proton in aluminium is 13, number of electron is also 13, number of neutron is equal to 14. Here we are going to see the atomic number and mass number of the first 20 elements, atomic number 1 to 20. Children, I will show you a table here, and in this table you can find the mass number. The first table you see, it is of the first 10 elements. Hydrogen, the atomic number is 1 and the mass number is 1. Helium, the atomic number is 2 and the mass number is 4. Lithium, the atomic number is 3 and mass number is 7. Similarly, you can see carbon, atomic number 6, mass number 12. Fluorine, atomic number 9, mass number 19. Then another table also I want to show you. Sodium, atomic number 11, mass number 23. Similarly, if you see chlorine, atomic number 17, mass number 35. Then calcium you can see, atomic number 20 and mass number 40, so on. So these two tables, this shows the atomic number and mass number of the first 20 elements. Then now you see, already we know about the structure of atom. The structure of atom you can see in the screen. That screen shows that atomic structure of atom. You can see there is a central part known as the nucleus, and there are some imaginary path in which the electrons are revolving, and these are known as the cells or orbits. These are known as the cells or orbit. So there are different cells, and these cells are also named. Starting from the first cell nearest to the nucleus, you can call them K, L, M, N. These are the name of the cells. These are the name of the cells. Is that clear? Now we will see some of the structure of some atoms. Okay, the first 10 elements I want to show you. So first one you see, First one is hydrogen. On the screen you can see. Then hydrogen, there is one proton, one neutron in the nucleus, and there is only one electron around the nucleus. Then second one is helium. You can see helium is having two proton and two neutron, and there are two electrons in its cells. Okay, only one cell it contains, and in it two electrons are present. Next one you can see lithium. There are 3 proton and 4 neutron in the nucleus, and you can see there are 2 shells in which electrons are present. In the first shell you can see 2 electrons. In the second shell you can see 1 electrons. Okay. Then beryllium. Beryllium is 4 proton, 5 neutron in the nucleus, 2 electron in the first shell and 2 electrons in the second shell. Next is boron. 5 proton and 5 neutron in the nucleus, 2 electron in the first shell and 3 electron in the second shell. Next is carbon. Carbon, it is having 6 proton and 6 neutron in the nucleus, and you can find here 2 electrons in the first shell and 4 electrons in the second shell. Now we'll proceed. Next you see nitrogen. Nitrogen, you can see 7 proton, 7 neutron in the nucleus, 2 electron in the first shell and 5 electron in the second shell. Oxygen, you can see 8 proton, 8 neutron in the nucleus, 2 electron in the first shell and 6 electron in the second cell, M cell. After oxygen, the 9th element is fluorine. Fluorine, you can see 9 proton and 10 neutron in the nucleus, 2 electron in the first shell and 7 electron in the second cell. And finally, last one we want to discuss is neon. 10 proton, 10 neutron in the nucleus, 2 electron in the first cell and 8 electron in the next cell, second cell. So children, with this I want to end this lesson. You can follow me in the link given at the top of the screen. You can see, and you have to subscribe my channel in order to get the latest notification about my uploads. In this channel you can find the videos related to science syllabus of high school student and middle school student. If you find this video helpful for you, kindly like, comment and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.